Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll cover 7 key methods to keep your car's paint looking fresh and protected. Whether you're a gearhead or just want your daily driver to stay shiny, these tips will help preserve the clear coat and finish. We'll explain how to do each step and why it works, using clear terms like hydrophobic, UV protection, and swirl marks. 1. Gentle hand washing. Automatic car washes can trap dirt in their brushes and actually create micro-abrasions, also known as swirl marks, on the paint's clear coat. Instead, wash by hand using a pH-balanced car shampoo, a clean wash mitt or sponge, and the 2-bucket method, 1 bucket for soapy water and 1 for rinsing. Work gently from top to bottom and rinse frequently to avoid dragging grit across the surface. After washing, dry the panels thoroughly with a soft microfiber towel. Proper drying prevents water spots and helps maintain the paint's hydrophobic properties, keeping it smooth and glossy. 2. Regular waxing or sealant. Applying a quality wax or synthetic sealant is an effective way to create a protective barrier over the clear coat. Natural waxes like carnauba and modern polymer sealants bond to the paint surface, providing a deep gloss and strong water-beating effect. This layer helps shield the paint from UV rays, tree sap, bird droppings, and acid rain. When water beads and rolls off the surface, it reduces the risk of stains and mineral deposits. For best results, reapply wax every 3 to 6 months or use a spray sealant after each wash to keep the protective layer fresh. 3. Ceramic coating. For long-term protection, ceramic coating is one of the most advanced solutions available. Ceramic coatings are made from silicon dioxide, SiO2, and chemically bond with the clear coat to form a hard, durable shell. This coating offers excellent resistance to chemicals, environmental contaminants, and light scratches. One of its key advantages is extreme hydrophobicity, meaning water, dirt, and grime have difficulty sticking to the surface. The result is a slick, mirror-like finish that resists UV fading and stays cleaner for longer. While professional application is recommended, spray-on ceramic maintenance products can also enhance protection. 4. Paint protection film, PPF. Paint protection film is a transparent polyurethane layer applied to high-impact areas such as the hood, front bumper, and fenders. It acts as a physical barrier against rock chips, gravel, road debris, and minor abrasions. High-quality PPF features self-healing technology, allowing light scratches and swirl marks to disappear when exposed to heat from sunlight or warm water. Additionally, PPF blocks UV radiation, preventing paint oxidation and color fading. When professionally installed, it can preserve a factory-new finish underneath for many years. 5. Shade parking or car cover. Where you park your car plays a major role in paint preservation. Whenever possible, park in the shade or inside a garage to minimize exposure to direct sunlight. Prolonged UV exposure can bake and fade the clear coat over time. If indoor parking isn't an option, a breathable, UV-resistant car cover provides excellent protection. A proper car cover shields the paint from sun, rain, dust, bird droppings, and tree sap. Even simple habits like choosing shaded areas can significantly slow down paint aging. 6. Clay bar decontamination. Over time, contaminants such as brake dust, industrial fallout, and tree sap can become embedded in the clear coat. Regular washing cannot remove these bonded particles. A detailing clay bar is designed to safely lift these contaminants from the paint surface after washing. Claying leaves the paint exceptionally smooth and prevents long-term damage such as etching or oxidation. A clean, decontaminated surface also allows waxes, sealants, and coatings to bond more effectively, improving both protection and appearance. 7. Quick detail sprays, topper coatings. Between full washes or major detailing sessions, quick detail sprays and spray-on sealants help maintain paint protection. These products add a light layer of ceramic or polymer protection, enhancing gloss and hydrophobic behavior. They repel dust, reduce water spotting, and make routine cleaning easier. Using a detail spray after washing or for light touch-ups helps extend the life of existing wax or ceramic coatings while keeping the paint looking fresh and polished. Thanks for watching. By washing correctly, applying protective layers, and minimizing environmental exposure, you can keep your car's paint looking new for years. When combined, these 7 methods create a multi-layer defense system that protects the clear coat, maintains gloss, and preserves long-term value. For more professional car hacks and detailing tips, make sure to follow the channel and don't forget to check out the recommended video on your screen.